How to fix Quotex account login not working. Experiencing login issues with your Quotex account can be frustrating, so here are some steps you can follow to troubleshoot and resolve common problems. First of all, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to see the control panel for the newer iPhone version. For the older, swipe up from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Unstable connectivity can prevent successful logins. So now, once you have checked your internet connection, verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. Ensure that the caps lock key is off and that there are no extra spaces. Now, once again done so, let's go back to the home screen because we need to clear browser cache and cookies because accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with website functionality. Tap on the settings icon available there, settings app. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see apps option available and simply tap on it. Now scroll down inside the apps and tap on the Safari option available there. Once inside the Safari, you will get to see clear browser history option available. Simply tap on it and clear all the browser history because this will obviously clear the browser cache and cookies as well. Now again, once done so, simply go back to the home screen. Now again on your home screen, try a different browser or device because sometimes browser specific issues can prevent logins. So attempt to access your account using a different browser or device. Here we are simply tapping on the Chrome. Search Quotex login here and try logging in from this browser. If it happens, then obviously it is a browser issues. If it is not, then this time all you have to do is tap on the browser search icon again. Make sure to first of all try to log in. If it is logged in, then your problem has been solved. But if it does not, then tap on the search address bar again and search for the Quotex support and search for it. Now, once you're on Quotex support, provide them with the detailed information about the issue for a quicker resolution. In order to do that, tap on the Contact Us option available there. Once you tap on the Contact Us, you will get to see two options available there. Account Recovery. Tap on it and make sure to provide a screenshot as well, and they will reach back to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.